I know what you're thinking. At first, all I could think was, will people think I'm weird? Can I wear this on Casual Friday? How will showering work? But now, I don't know. I just think it's cool. It all started when my old laptop started acting up. Every time I hit power, I feared the worst. Error message, explosion, blue screen of death. So I got this Sandisk Ultra 3D SSD and upgrade kit. First, I took the SSD and cable and connected them to my laptop. Then, I used the included software to clone my data from the old drive to the new one. Next, I opened up my laptop, took the old hard drive out, put the Ultra 3D SSD in, and closed it back up. All that was left to do was reboot. Yes! Breathe new life into your computer with the Sandisk Ultra 3D SSD and upgrade kit. Keep your content safe, boost your speed, and get on with your life. Plus, let's face it, this cape is a great conversation starter.